This is an affordable, clean and little gem of a place. Walk anywhere, enjoy the buzz of the evening with a mixture of friends, students and visitors having a brilliant time. The staff were very friendly and helpful. There was a mistake in my reservation, but the staff resolved it perfectly over the phone. Even though I'm not fluent in English, there was no problem during the call. The room was also clean. For breakfast, there was I was upgraded to the sister hotel, Coopman House. My review reflects my stay there. I had the most enjoyable stay with the best service from staff. The room was perfect and reception and dining facilities amazing. Thank you for a wonderful stay. Thanks you. Staff be helpful. The hotel is located in the heart of the historic picturesque area, where the main cultural attractions of the city are concentrated, and at the same time, the street is clean, calm, beautiful and also has the opportunity to enjoy the clean, pleasant air for which Stellenbosch is famous. Historical sites of the city. Since 1706 the founder and governor of the city Van der Steel lived there. The old masonry of the house, thatched, stylized roof, rooms with chic, operating fireplaces and magnificent, super comfortable beds evoke respect and admiration, and the hotel staff does everything and even more we felt like we were in our own home. Care, prevention of desires, sincere smiles and cordiality, as well as the attitude towards our own loved ones and relatives. Very clean and neat and very central in town. Enjoyed the stay. What a wonderful stay. Staff was exceptional. Perfect stop to explore the town and surrounding winelands. Nicely renovated but kept its character. Great breakfast included in our stay and a 10% discount at hotel restaurant with amazing food a bonus. The most central and homely stay in Stellenbosch. Hotel was very comfortable, staff very helpful and friendly. Hotel perfectly positioned to access local shops and restaurants by foot. Very good. Mostly Afrikaners. The neighborhood is right in the middle of Stellenbosch. Tons of restaurants around. Breakfast was all you can eat buffet. I thought the price was a little high, but they were booked solid, so they charge what the market will bear. Perfect location in downtown Stellenbosch, good old style hotel and friendly staff. Decent restaurant too. Great spot in the middle of Stellenbosch, very convenient spotless rooms, great staff. Nice hotel and superb location in Stellenbosch. Enjoyed my stay at Stellenbosch Hotel. Location is perfect and walking distance to everything. Food is average for the price, but I would recommend if you are looking for a central 1 or 2 night stay. Staff were lovely and very kind. Overall great stay.